I got it since the other video gone wrong.
Yeah, but this is from Wish, guys. I know what you're thinking.
Open it. Quit talking and open it. I want to see, bro. This better not be another gone wrong video because the last one was gone wrong.
Golden. If y'all see that. Oh, shoot. Golden.
Let me flip the camera. Okay, open it, man. I want to see what it is. Hurry up. Put it right here. Put it right here. So.
No. Because people can see our address, remember?
Oh, more fans the merrier, right? Alright, let's see here. Wait, open it like in the back, like right here. It's like stab it with the key here. The key. Stab it.
Two package came out.
Man, well, the last one was a gone wrong video.
Yeah. But let's see this.
Open it.
Let's see this.
Give me the damn. Give me it. Okay. Did it go here? So what is it? What is it? You just put it on the floor after you're done. You like rip.
Don't face the camera right at me.
Okay.
Just face the camera at you. It's golden too, guys. I ordered this from Wish. Here. Look,
Is it golden?
it's golden too.
Oh my gosh. Bro, wait, this ain't golden, this is copper.
Copper, whatever.
I don't know, just open it.
It's awesome. I had this for my controller, and I plugged my controller in here. Now we're gonna see if this works. Hey guys, like this.
Just putting it in.
As you see, I'm trying to. Time out.
Hey, let me see.
Where's another controller that I use?
Here's my controller, guys. See, I used to play Xbox as well. Very fan and pinning. I also put a thing on it. So let's get to it. Bro, you got the controller yet?
I'm gonna take this one off.
Oh yeah, be very careful. That thing was expensive that I got, man. Is it in?
Oh, I need a
let me
USB cord. USB cord.
Wait, this thing doesn't even fit.
No, USB cord.
A USB, man, go find one.
USB cord.
You took my thing off. Wow.
We got a USB here. You plug that in here. I need my phone.
Okay, phone.
Let's see if Jamie's phone.
Bro, I'm holding the camera on my phone. How does this even work? Okay, my brother's getting the equipment. As you can see, this cord is connected to the one that we got. Very pan and pinning. We're gonna use it in videos. So see that TV? That's where I played Minecraft at. So from one video, go check it out if you want to go check it out. But you don't really have to. So we got this here. With yeah.
Let's use Jamie's phone because his phone's right by us.
Bro, why you breathe so hard? Did you run out there?
Yeah, I did.
I'm like, here, drink some water. Okay. As you can see, guys, we got this thing that's gonna control to a phone. So how do we use this?
Jamie's phone and plug it in there, and then you.
How are the audience gonna see if I'm just doing this and plugging it in my phone?
We'll show you in a minute.
Okay, let me plug it in. Is this thing gonna fit? Hold on, I'm gonna pause it right here. Okay, guys, I got it in my phone. As you can see, I got the cord right here. Is it on? Wait, here, put it.
Yeah, it's on.
Here, wait, put it in.
Wait, is it in?
Yes.
I think they ripped us off.
Oh my gosh, so this is another gone wrong video.
Is it charging your phone?
No, it's just running out the batteries that I need to record this video.
Okay, guys, you know...
well, at least we got the cord, right?
Yeah, I can use it for something.
So, is this really a gone wrong video, or do we actually get our thing?
No, we actually got our thing, so I'm glad. Maybe it just doesn't work. Maybe I have to charge this, I don't know.
I don't know what's wrong with this thing. Maybe we need a new Xbox. Maybe it works for... No, it doesn't work for wireless. So stupid. Anyway, guys, see you in the next one. We're gonna try and make as much videos as we can, like Fortnite, but I don't know. Like, we're gonna see what we can. Okay, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.